Welcome to Broomfield Tai Chi Chuan. In today's video, let's do a Tai Chi warm-up. Before we begin, don't forget to subscribe to my channel for all the latest Tai Chi videos. Let's do our Tai Chi warm-up. Begin with a slow and even neck roll. Change direction. Look side to side. And up and down. Rotate both shoulders forward. Rotate both shoulders backwards. Rotate shoulders forward, alternating. And rotate both shoulders backwards, alternating. Now rotate the center. Change direction. Rotate the knees. Change direction. And rotate the ankles. Change direction. Switch your feet. Change direction. Now let's go into a horse stance. Arms up, relax your shoulders, and rotate side to side. And knee to chest. If you can't lift your leg all the way up, just come up on your toe. But if you can, bring your knee up. Switch your legs. A light jog in place. And one stretch. Weight on the back leg, bring your heel out, and stretch down to your toe. Switch your legs. Weight on the back leg, Heel out and stretch down to your toe. And now shake it out. Light patting with your hands on your body. Good. Now let's do a little bit of Tai Chi walking, stance training. Hands to your side, weights on one leg. Come out with the other heel. And slowly shift your weight forward into your forward stance. Weight goes back slightly, toe comes out, other foot comes up. Step out with the opposite heel, and weight shifts forward slightly. One more. Now your back leg comes up a half step. Shift your weight back into your back stance. Front foot comes back, toe steps back, and shift your weight back. Front foot comes back, toe back first, shift your weight back. One more. Good. Now let's add the hands. We're going to do the walking just like before, but bring one hand to the side with your palm up and one hand palm down. Step with your heel first, then brush and press. Shift the weight slightly back. One palm up, one palm down. Step, brush, and press. One more. Step, brush, and press. Very good. That was our Tai Chi warm up. Thanks for watching. Keep practicing. Stay healthy. Stay strong.